I made $86 today with Amazon affiliate marketing. And let me refresh this so you can see that this is not Photoshop or anything like that. This is actually a real money. And as you can see, it is still here. And most of this money I actually made by using one Pinterest option that for some reason many people are not using. You can make a good money with Pinterest affiliate marketing by promoting Amazon products. And today I'm going to show you that option. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to stick to that niche. And keep in mind, most of the Pinterest users are women. So next thing you need to do, you need to find the product to promote. And because we are talking about Amazon affiliate marketing, I am going to use Amazon. And because it is summer, people spend most of the time outside. So here on in search bar, I will search something like, for example, patio, okay? Patio. And here I can see related keywords, keywords that people are most often search. You can see patio umbrellas. I would never think about patio umbrellas, okay? But here you can see patio furniture. Now that looks like an interesting keyword. So what I can do, I can actually go here and I can copy this. And I need to see, does anybody on Pinterest actually search for patio furniture? And for that, I will go on Pinterest ads and I'm going to paste that keyword here. Give it a second. And here you can see patio furniture ideas. Between 500,000 and 1 million people search this keyword every month on Pinterest. Now that is a good search volume, but now I need to check out competition. If competition is too big, it is too strong, well then probably I won't make any money. So I will use this same keyword. Here, patio furniture ideas, and I will go on Pinterest and I will search the same keyword here. Simply paste it here and then press enter, and I can see competition. I installed sort pins so I can check out competition. Now here you can see these top pins, they have lots of repins, lots of saves and comments, so competition is big and strong. But once I start scrolling here you can see that competition actually it's not that strong, it's not that big. I can actually rank my pin as a top result here on Pinterest for this keyword. And we saw between 500,000 and 1 million people search this keyword every month on Pinterest. So this keyword has a good potential. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to start promoting this product. Now for that there are two ways. Way number one is to write your own article, and that is by far best option. And option number two is, if you are not good at writing articles, you can actually use somebody else's articles. And for that, I will simply go here on Google and I'm going to paste patio furniture ideas. But keep in mind that this way you will actually drive traffic to somebody else's blog or website. So I can use one of these. So for example, let's just say I will use this one here. I will click on it to check it out to see, is this actually a good article? 12 best outdoor furniture ideas for cozy backyard living. Now that is a good title, right? And when I start scrolling here, there is lots of good images, useful text. So this is actually a good article. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to find product that I wish to promote that are related to this article here. Now again, I will simply go back here on Amazon, and actually I will go back here on this article, and here you can see what exactly these guys are talking about. And you can find these products here on Amazon. So for the purpose of this video, I will simply use this keyword here, press enter, and here I can see patio furniture on Amazon, and I can use any of these and I can promote any of these. Next thing you need to do, you need to make a Pinterest pin, because we are talking about Pinterest affiliate marketing. So for that I will use Canva, and here what you need to do, you simply need to search Pinterest, okay, Pinterest pin, okay, Pinterest pin, and I'm going to use this one here, 1080 with 1920, because this one takes a bit more space. Bit more space is important, okay? The more real estate you can take on Pinterest, the better, okay? Keep that in mind, okay? So I will use this one. Click here, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on blank, because I wish to create one from blank. And then here in the search bar, I will search for collage. Now you don't have to use these collages, but I like to use them because I can add more images. And here you can see all the available collages. Now I'm using free option on Canva because I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to invest. So you can use any of these. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this one here. I will simply click on it, and here you can see now I don't like this color. So I will click here, and then I'm going to click here, and I will choose, for example, let's just say this color here. Now here you can see this color is better because these letters now are standing off, okay? Because it is more eye-catchy. People will see this more easily, okay? And that is important. Try to use brighter colors. And then what I need to do, I simply need to go back here on this article, and I can say something like this. I can simply copy this, okay? Control C, go back here on Pinterest, and I'm going to double click here, paste that here, and actually I'm going to make these letters to be smaller, for example 48, and I will go back here and I'm going to copy this. Control C, go back here, double click here, paste that here, and actually I'm going to make this like this, and I'm going to make this to be larger, something like this, okay, and move it here. And here you can see how this looks, okay, it is much better, right? And here you need to add images. Now you can simply go back here on this article and you can use these images here, or you can simply use the images of the product that you found on Amazon. So for example, let's just find one of these products. So for example, let's just say this one here. When I click on it, I can actually see they have images, and you can use these images, but this is a warning. You can use these images only to promote this product here. You cannot use these images to promote other products. Now, you need to go back here on Canva, you need to click here on uploads, and you need to upload those images here on Canva, and you need to place them here. Now, I already created a pin, and here you can see how that pin looks. Here you can see it looks much, much better. So this is also important. What you need to do, you need to click here on share, and then click here on download, and then here you need to choose MP4. You wish to make this a video because Pinterest is actually pushing videos. It is competing with Instagram Reels, with TikTok, with YouTube Shorts, with Twitter and so many other platforms. So Pinterest is pushing videos. That is why you wish to make this as a video. And then click here on download and download this to your desktop. So next thing you need to do, you need to go back here on Pinterest and you need to upload that pin. Click here on create and then click here create pin. And now we need to upload our video that we created in Canva. So I will click here and this is the video. Give it a second, and now this is really, really important. You need to optimize your pin. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to optimize pins properly to rank as high as possible on Pinterest search results. I will leave you a link in description to that video. You need to add title, you need to add description, you need to choose the right board. And here where it says tags, you need to add tags, and here it says add a destination link. Like I said, if you can write your own article and publish it on your own blog, that is by far best option. If you cannot, then you can simply use this article here, and you can simply Control C, copy this link, and then you can paste that link here, okay? And this is really, really important. This is the feature that you're actually waiting for. What you need to do, you need to click here, tag products. You need to tag a product. Click here, and then here you need to click somewhere on the image where you wish to tag that product. For example, here. And then you need to click here, okay? And now you need to click here on URL. And now you can add your Amazon affiliate link. Simply go back here on Amazon and then click here on text. And this is my affiliate link, my Amazon affiliate link. And then I will simply go back here, paste that link here, and then click here. And it will automatically pull the images of this product. I will click here and then click here, save product. And that's it. As you can see, it automatically added an image. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on done and it will go back. Here, you need to choose the right board. And after that, you need to just click here on publish. And that's it. You will publish that. You will directly promote your affiliate product, your Amazon affiliate products. But like I said, you will drive also traffic to this website here, and you will also promote your Amazon affiliate products. And that is why I told you, if you can use your own articles, your own posts on your own blog, you will double your earnings, because you can also promote this product, this same product from Amazon. You can promote it directly here on Pinterest, but you can also promote it on your blog. But if you cannot write your articles, then you can simply use other people's articles and you can promote them, and also you can promote your Amazon affiliate products. As you can see, it is really simple, really easy. If you are absolute beginner, you can do this. And all you have to do is just make 5 or 10 posts per day like this and tag 5, 10, 15 Amazon products every day on these images, and trust me guys, you will start getting clicks, you will start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, with Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2023, even if you are absolute beginner.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.